In this video, we'll be taking a look at the 23.8-inch Delta Mega dual screen monitor by UPERFECT. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Let's take it out of the box and see what we got. Inside the box, you get a user manual, a power adapter, an HDMI cable, two USB Type-C to USB Type-C cables, and the large 23.8-inch dual monitors. You can right away see and feel the premium quality. The housing is aluminum and is cold to the touch. It feels great to hold, but do keep in mind, it is a bit heavy, weighing over 10 pounds or 4.87 kilograms. This is due to the large dual screen size, metal housing, and strong stand. Talking about the stand, it's located on the back which folds out and is adjustable. It's not flimsy and is strong and sturdy, which also has rubber stoppers on the bottom to help it give traction so it doesn't slip on surfaces nor damage them. This is VESA compatible, so you can also use it with the monitor arm or mount, as well as mount it to a wall. So as far as flexibility, you have nothing to worry about. On one side, you have two USB-C Type-C ports, one for audio and video, the other for power. There's also an HDMI port in case your device doesn't have a USB Type-C display port. On the other side, there's a 3.5mm auxiliary port for audio output, as well as the power button and control buttons to switch modes and adjust the display settings like brightness and so forth. As for the screens, they're full HD IPS panels with 100Hz refresh rate and 97% sRGB color gamut. They have a matte finish, so this will help against annoying reflections. Now when it comes to connecting and using the dual screen display, you'll need to use the power adapter and plug in a USB-C cable for power input, as well as a second USB-C cable for the display signal or an HDMI cable. You won't be able to both power the display and send signal with just one USB-C cable due to the large displays and the power required for them. Here are the displays powered on and connected. In this first mode, we have it set to duplicate mode, which basically mirrors the displays and has the same image displayed on both screens. This mode is useful for situations like meetings or presentations, where you may have someone or some people seated in front of you for whom you want to share your screen with. This way both you and others can view the same image. Aside from this, you can also extend your desktop or workspace and have a total of 3 displays, if you're extending your laptop screen for example, or 2 displays if you're using a device which doesn't already have a display. This type of setup is useful for multitasking. You can have multiple windows and applications open at the same time, and spread them out to the displays, giving you the ability to view multiple things at once. For example, in my case, I would be able to have 2 different videos open and compare between the two while I answer comments on the other display. The overall picture quality of this display is good, even when viewed at an angle. The hinges are good as well and hold the angle which you set the displays to without any issues. Again, if needed, you can fold one screen toward the back so you can share your display with someone else. Also, if you wanted to, you can run these in portrait orientation. This setup would be more beneficial for streamers who have long chats and other apps which are stream related. So you're not only limited to having the display set in landscape orientation. This UPERFECT Delta Mega Dual Screen is definitely made of high quality materials, and you'll definitely feel that this is a premium display, both operation wise and material wise. The borders and bezels around the displays are thin, which give it a sleek and modern look. They are also thin, so they won't be too bulky from the back and fold away nicely if you need to transport them. Bottom line, I like everything about this dual screen display. Yeah, it may be a bit on the heavier side, but the fact that it has an aluminum housing not only makes it feel so much better to me compared to plastic, but also makes me feel comfortable knowing it will be more stable and sturdy. If you're in the market for a dual screen display, then I recommend you take a look at the Delta Mega Dual Screen by UPERFECT. I'll place links in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.